हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम अलैकुम। मैं हूँ गौरव दयाल बीट फैक्ट्री अकेडमी से एंड एज आई स्पीक विद यू आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गूज बम्प्स बिकॉज मैं इंडिया आने वाला हूँ इन अबाउट 10 days और सो। खूब सारी वर्कशॉप्स होने वाली हैं। द फर्स्ट वन इज कमिंग अप इन दिल्ली जो 23rd of June को है एंड देन वन इन बॉम्बे विच इज ऑन 30th of June। बोथ आर सैटरडेज, सो वीकेंड है, आप आराम से आ सकते हो। लेकिन मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली what are these workshops about? So ये वाली workshops में हम technical चीज़ें discuss करेंगे of how to do this, how to do that, but I also want to share with you this time a bit of my own story, also my journey from India to the US and how I came to the US and I settled here and how I continue to grow businesses in music. So music is my main thing, my core, and it will always be, it can never change. But I, as you have seen, have adapted to various other new media of putting my music out there. So ये बहुत important है that I share that with you and show you not to be stuck in one thing or in one array. कभी-कभी जब आप you're staying in one place and आपकी एक tunnel vision हो जाता है, which is you're sitting and just thinking one thing कि how am I going to release my song. That is only the tip of the iceberg. There are many things that you can do with your music and actually also make a profit, make a living without getting a million hits and things like that. I don't have a million hits on any of my songs, but I think I'm more profitable than many people who do. So how do you get there? What is this way of looking at music and the music business? ये मैं सब share करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk about marketing. I want to talk about different avenues and also the future. यानी कि the music business is constantly changing. It's going to change again. So what are the new trends? What's going to happen? And how you can prepare yourself? ये बहुत important है. So do come down to the workshop. Workshop के लिए there will be an event on Facebook जिसमें you can mark attending, or there will be an email address and phone number supplied in this post जिसके अंदर you can call or email us your name and we will put you on the list. That's as simple as that. The workshops are free, of course, always they're free. And other exciting thing that I want to share with you is कि इस बार जब मैं इंडिया आ रहा हूँ, I'm going to be recruiting new people. So for Beat Skills, which is my software company, for Tone Empire, for Bollywood Sounds, and also for Beatfactory Academy, of course. So कुछ लोगों को by invitation मैंने permit किया to come and meet me, and then I'll see which are the people I can get down to working with actually and employ. लेकिन अगर आप अपनी applications भेजना चाहते हैं और you want to talk to me about what skills you have, the best thing is to attend the workshop. I will come and speak with you. You can tell me what your skills are and if it's applicable to what I'm looking for. There is a chance you might get a job at my company. So I'm really excited about that. Meeting you personally is always exciting and fun. It's a Saturday, 23rd again in Delhi and 30th of June in Mumbai. So don't forget these dates. Mark them down. पहले से ही आप jot down कर लो ताकि you don't forget. I will be posting some reminders, but it's important that you clear these dates. I will be very excited to see you as always and bring some new, fresh information, technical stuff. We'll record some music also. This time I'm going to show you how to record vocals. I'm going to show you how to record some Indian percussion, maybe drums, maybe a few other elements, and how to mix them. So सब कुछ on the spot करेंगे in workshops में ताकि you get a real hands-on feel of a professional approach to these things. Of course, some production techniques also, some mixing and mastering secrets and techniques as I always share with you. So be there on the workshops, mark the dates, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Thanks again for watching and share with your friends who you think are interested in this workshop. So again, I'll be delighted to see you guys. Okay, so I'll see you very soon. Take care. Ciao.